customers who work with Sage Restoration are going to have a peace of mind, ease, and convenience, because when a family has a house fire, traditionally they're going to be working with up to maybe 4 or 5 different contractors. You would have one contractor come in and handle the textiles and electronics. Another contractor comes in and takes all of your contents and dishes, and another one will come in and handle the mitigation work, and then finally you'll have a repairs contractor. So the good thing about working with Sage Restoration is that we handle all of those services. So our customer just has to make one phone call and deal with one contractor. So that provides a lot of ease, convenience, and peace of mind, not only for our customer, but also the adjuster and the insurance carrier as well. We are one-stop shopping at its best.